Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this quick video, I show you how to send Ctrl+Alt+Del via remote desktop. The three key combinations Ctrl+Alt+Del bring up a menu from which you can access Task Manager, Sign Out, Switch User, and Lock. Since the combination mostly works for the main system, the user will need to use another combination that works with remote desktop. Open Remote Desktop Connection, and before connecting to the remote computer, click on Show Options from the bottom. Then select the Local Resources tab, and in the Keyboard section, you can change the available options. Click on the drop-down menu, and select the option on the remote computer instead of the option only when using the full screen. Then click on the Connect button from the bottom, and type the password to access the remote desktop computer. Now to send Ctrl+Alt+Del to the remote desktop computer, click Ctrl+Alt+End on your keyboard instead of the default Ctrl+Alt and +Del combination. That is, you will click on Ctrl+Alt+End on the keyboard. This way you will be able to send Ctrl+Alt+Del to the remote desktop computer. It is simple but very useful. Thank you for watching. I hope you find the video useful. I also hope you subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.